No matter who you are, where you go, or what you do, one thing's for sure. Your life will be full of decisions, big and small. Sometimes it'll be easy to make the right choice, and sometimes it'll be, well, a bit harder to plot the right course. But there's something that can help guide you through all of life's ups and downs: your personal values. What is a value? A value is a rule or a belief that guides a person's behavior, and a person can have a lot of different types of values. For example, I'm a big fan of the value of kindness. I always try to keep kindness in mind and let it guide my actions. Hey, you dropped this.
Wow, so kind of you.
Values, like kindness, can help us when we need to make decisions. They're sort of like a compass. They help us make choices that align with the kind of person we want to be. They are the beliefs and principles that are important to each of us. Some common values include things like honesty, responsibility, mindfulness, and respect. Why do values matter? Values are important because they make us who we are. When we are faced with tricky situations, values point us in the direction of the kind of person we are or want to become. I know I want to be a kind owl. Whether that's helping a friend in need or putting others before myself, I know I'll feel good if I stick to my values. So, what are some of your personal values? Here are 3 questions that can help you determine what they might be. What kind of person do you want to be? How do you want to treat others? How would you like others to treat you? When you define your personal values, you discover what's truly important to you. And when you follow your values, you feel proud of your choices. They help you build strong relationships and make friends who share similar values too. Remember, being true to yourself and your values will help you handle any decision that comes your way. So, what will your values be?